Hey guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network, and right now we are going to make a Christmas decoration. So I already got some yarn here, and I've got some beads, any beads you wanted, and don't forget the glue gun. Okay, so grab your materials and we can start. Okay, I've got here. Okay, so I added some few beads right here to make it more complete. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time for our next video. Bye!